Bay Windows Tuscaloosa is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their property's aesthetic appeal and functionality. With a variety of bay window styles available, residents can choose from traditional to contemporary designs that suit their home's architecture. Bay window contractors in Tuscaloosa, Alabama, offer expert services to ensure a seamless installation process, providing both residential bay windows and commercial bay windows to meet diverse needs. Custom Bay Windows Tuscaloosa allow homeowners to personalize their spaces with unique designs and dimensions. These custom solutions are perfect for those seeking a distinctive look that reflects their personal style. Bay window experts in Tuscaloosa work closely with clients to create bespoke designs that incorporate the latest trends and materials, ensuring a perfect fit for any home or business. Energy-efficient bay windows Tuscaloosa are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve indoor comfort. These windows are designed with advanced materials and technologies that minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Bay window specialists in Tuscaloosa can help you select the best energy-efficient options for your property, ensuring long-term savings and environmental benefits. Bay Window Replacement Tuscaloosa, Alabama, is a crucial service for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows. Over time, bay window frames and glass can become damaged or outdated, necessitating a replacement to restore their functionality and aesthetic appeal. Bay Window Replacement in Tuscaloosa is also available for minor issues, providing cost-effective solutions to extend the life of your windows. Affordable bay windows Tuscaloosa are accessible to homeowners seeking quality without breaking the bank. Bay window contractors in Tuscaloosa, Alabama, offer competitive pricing and flexible financing options to make these enhancements more attainable. Whether you're looking for a simple upgrade or a complete overhaul, there are bay window solutions in Tuscaloosa to fit any budget. Bay window design in Tuscaloosa is an art form that combines creativity and functionality. With a focus on maximizing natural light and creating inviting spaces, bay window enhancements can transform any room into a bright and welcoming area. Bay window features in Tuscaloosa include options like built-in seating, storage, and decorative elements that add both beauty and practicality to your home. Bay window maintenance in Tuscaloosa is essential for preserving the longevity and performance of your windows. Regular upkeep, such as cleaning and inspecting bay window glass and frames, can prevent costly replacements and replacements down the line. Bay Windows Tuscaloosa services in Tuscaloosa, Alabama, provide comprehensive maintenance plans to keep your windows in top condition year-round.